If you want to check your SSD read and write speeds on Windows, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy built-in method to test your drive performance without installing any extra software. This is useful if you want to compare SSD speeds, check if your drive is performing properly, or troubleshoot a slow system. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type CMD. In the search results, you should see Command Prompt appear. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This is important because the speed test needs administrator access to run correctly. If Windows asks for permission through User Account Control, click Yes to continue. Once the Command Prompt window opens, you're ready to run the disk benchmark. Now, to test your main SSD, which is usually the C drive, type WinSAT disk and press Enter. Windows will begin testing the drive, and you'll see several lines of performance data appear on the screen. Give it a moment to finish because the tool needs time to measure your drive speed. When the test is complete, look through the results for the sequential read and sequential write performance numbers. These are the key values that show how fast your SSD can read and write large files. Higher numbers usually mean better performance. If you want to test a different drive, you can do that too. Just type WinSAT disk-drive X and replace X with the letter of the drive you want to check. For example, if you want to test drive D, you would type WinSAT disk-drive D and press Enter. Windows will then run the same benchmark on that drive instead. Again, review the output carefully and find the sequential read and write results. If your SSD is much slower than expected, that could point to a drive issue, a connection problem, or background system activity affecting performance. This method is great because it's already built into Windows, so you don't need to download anything. It's fast, simple, and perfect for checking SSD speeds whenever you want. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Windows tips, SSD guides, and easy step-by-step how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.